Hey everyone! When I'm not swinging Stormbreaker around, I'm usually at the gym, pushing myself to be my strongest. But here's the thing, lifting weights isn't just for big bodybuilders or gods from Asgard, it's for everyone. Young, old, everyone in between getting stronger is super helpful. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 amazing reasons why strength training is important for people of all ages. We're talking about building muscles that would make Thor jealous, making your bones super strong, and helping your body burn energy so you can enjoy that extra snack. But it's not just about the physical stuff. We're also going to talk about how strength training helps your mind too, like feeling less stressed, sleeping better, and even living longer. So, get ready, because we're about to learn the secrets to being a healthier, stronger, and more awesome you. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite muscles. As we get older, our muscles naturally get a bit smaller. It's like a balloon slowly losing air. But don't worry, my friends, because strength training is here to pump you back up. Think of your muscles like warriors in a big battle. Every time you lift weights or do exercises using your own body weight, you're training those warriors. They get bigger, stronger, and ready to tackle anything. And it's not just about looking good, though that's a nice bonus. Strong muscles help you stay balanced, prevent falls, and make everyday tasks way easier. Imagine carrying heavy grocery bags without breaking a sweat. That's the power of strength training. The best part is you don't need a fancy gym or super heavy weights. Simple exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges work wonders. Start slow, listen to your body, and watch your strength and confidence grow bigger than ever. Remember, even Thor started somewhere. So, no more excuses, let's unleash those inner warriors. Just like the mighty Asgard, our bodies need a strong base. And that base, my friends, is our bones. But just like a crumbling castle, our bones can get weaker over time, especially as we age. That's where strength training comes in to save the day. It's like giving your bones a magic potion that makes them tougher and stronger. We're talking about reducing the risk of osteoporosis, which can make your bones fragile and easy to break. And for all you young warriors out there, strength training is like giving your bones a head start in life. It helps them grow strong and healthy so you can have a lifetime of amazing adventures. Now I know what you're thinking, Chris, I don't want to become a bodybuilder with bones like steel beams. Don't worry, I've got you. You don't need to lift mountains to see the benefits. Simple exercises like walking, dancing, or even climbing stairs can do wonders for your bones. So, let's get moving and build a foundation that's stronger than ever before. Let's be real, we all want that lean, strong physique. And while I can't promise you'll look exactly like Thor, I can tell you that strength training is the secret to boosting your metabolism and burning calories like crazy. You see, muscle is always hungry. It burns more calories than fat, even when you're resting. That's right. You can be relaxing on the couch, sipping a protein shake, and still be burning fat. It's like having a superpower that works even when you're not trying. But it gets even better. Strength training helps you build lean muscle mass, which gives your metabolism an extra kick. It's like adding fuel to the fire, making your body a calorie-burning machine. And the best part is, you don't need to spend hours on the treadmill to see results. A quick, intense strength training session can keep your metabolism going strong for hours after your workout. So, ditch the boring cardio and embrace the power of strength training. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 4. A calm mind in a strong body improves mental health. Now let's talk about the most important muscle of all, your brain. You see, strength training isn't just about building physical strength, it's about building mental toughness too. It's about conquering those inner demons and coming out stronger, both physically and mentally. Think of it like this. Every time you push yourself in the gym, you're showing yourself that you're capable of more than you thought possible. You're building confidence, discipline, and a can-do attitude that makes everything in your life better. But it's not just about willpower. Strength training also releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that can lift your mood, reduce stress, and even help with anxiety. It's like a natural mood booster, without any bad side effects. And let's be honest, we could all use a little less stress in our lives, right? So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed, hit the gym instead of the fridge. Your mind and body will thank you for it. Chapter 5. A heart of a warrior promotes heart health. We all know that a warrior needs a strong heart to win any battle. And in the battle for a long and healthy life, a healthy heart is your greatest weapon. Now you might think that cardio is the key to a healthy heart. And while cardio is important, strength training is like its secret weapon. It's like giving your heart a workout too, making it stronger and more efficient. Think of it like this. Every time you lift weights, you're challenging your heart to pump blood more efficiently throughout your body. This helps lower your blood pressure, improve your cholesterol levels, and reduce your risk of heart disease. It's like giving your heart a suit of armor, protecting it from the dangers of modern life. So, ditch the excuses and embrace the power of strength training. Your heart will thank you for it. Chapter 6. Defy the odds, reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Life throws a lot of curveballs our way, but just like a true warrior, we can train our bodies to be resilient and fight back against whatever challenges come our way. And that's where strength training comes in. You see, strength training isn't just about building muscles and looking good, it's about building a fortress around your body, protecting it from long-term diseases that can steal your health and energy. We're talking about reducing your risk of type 2 diabetes, preventing arthritis, and even fighting back against certain types of cancer. It's like giving your body a superpower to ward off illness and keep you feeling your best. And the best part is, it's never too late to start. Whether you're young or old, fit or just starting out, strength training can help you take control of your health and live a longer, healthier life. Chapter 7. Stand tall, feel powerful, improves posture, and reduces pain. Let's be honest, we all want that confident, upright posture that commands attention. But good posture isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. It's about reducing pain, preventing injuries, and moving through life with ease. And guess what? Strength training is the secret weapon to unlocking perfect posture. It's like giving your back a team of tiny but mighty assistants, helping you stand tall and proud. You see, many of us spend our days hunched over computers, slouching on couches, or craning our necks to look at our phones. This weakens our core muscles, leading to poor posture, back pain, and even headaches. But fear not, my friends, because strength training is here to the rescue. By strengthening your core muscles, you'll improve your posture, reduce pain, and feel more confident than ever before. Life is a balancing act, isn't it? We're constantly juggling responsibilities, navigating challenges, and striving to stay upright amidst the chaos. And just like a tightrope walker needs strong legs and core to stay balanced, we need strong muscles to navigate the ups and downs of life. As we age, our balance naturally declines, making us more susceptible to falls and injuries. But fear not, my friends, because strength training is here to catch you. Think of strength training as your secret weapon for improving balance and preventing falls. It's like giving your body a built-in safety net, helping you stay upright and confident in any situation. By strengthening your legs, core, and stabilizer muscles, you'll improve your balance, coordination, and reaction time, making you less likely to trip, stumble, or take a tumble. We all know that a good night's sleep is essential for feeling our best. It's when our bodies and minds recharge, repair, and prepare for the day ahead. But for many of us, getting a good night's sleep can feel like an impossible dream. We toss and turn, our minds race with worry, and we wake up feeling exhausted instead of refreshed. But fear not, my sleep-deprived friends, because strength training is here to lull you into a deep and restful slumber. You see, strength training is like a natural sleep aid. It helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, reduce stress and anxiety, and tire out your muscles, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. And the best part is, you don't need to spend hours in the gym to reap the benefits. Even a short strength training session a few times a week can significantly improve your sleep quality. We all want to live long, healthy, and fulfilling lives. We want to be able to enjoy our passions, spend time with loved ones, and experience all that life has to offer, without being limited by our physical abilities. And guess what? Strength training is the key to unlocking a life of vitality, independence, and adventure. It's like investing in a retirement plan for your body, ensuring that you can enjoy your golden years to the fullest. You see, strength training helps you maintain your independence as you age. It keeps your bones strong, your muscles mobile, and your mind sharp, allowing you to live life on your own terms. But it's not just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. Strength training helps you stay active, engaged, and full of energy, so you can continue to pursue your passions and make the most of every moment. So there you have it, folks. 10 powerful reasons why strength training is the ultimate superpower for people of all ages. Remember, it's never too late to start building a stronger, healthier, and more awesome you. Strength training builds muscle, enhances bone density, boosts metabolism, improves mental health, promotes heart health, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, improves posture, reduces pain, boosts balance, prevents falls, enhances sleep quality, and promotes longevity and quality of life. Now go forth and conquer your fitness goals. Like this video if you're ready to unleash your inner warrior, leave a comment below with your favorite strength training exercise, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic fitness tips. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep on fighting the good fight.